Wait, brother. Still got some time for Jesus? Perfect. Let me get you a Bible verse. John 8:34. Jesus answered them, "Truly, truly, I say to you, everyone who practices sin is a slave to sin." In those words, Jesus himself tells us that whoever sins is a slave to sin. You might know the words, "One last time or it won't hurt at the end." You cannot let it go and return to it every time. That's the meaning of slave to sin. But if we seek God, pray to Him, read the Bible, and live for Him, and of course trust in Him, He will give us the strength, power, and will to overcome our daily sins. Even when it's not a 100% trust or a fast overcoming of a sin, rely on God and trust Him through that, because He sees you. And through that, you're already living for Him because you're denying yourself in the world and choose Him. And with trust and work, you will overcome sins and learn about God and get stronger. So relax, brother, and give all our trust into Jesus. Have a blessed day. Amen.